Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be giving a glimpse of the ongoing events in the advanced server at present going on. Today is 29th May 2021 and these events are currently happening in the advanced server. The first event is the Legends Return event. It is named like this because in the advanced server, these three heroes, that is Karina, Minotaur and Alpha, are reworked and revamped. So MLBB is relaunching these three heroes refreshingly through this event. So basically what you will have to do that you will have to select any of these three heroes and practice with them, as it is written in the bottom of this image that select any hero for training. So after your completion of the training with these heroes, you will get this avatar border related to this event and also this gift box which may contain any skin or any fragments or any other gift that MLBB is providing us. So after choosing any one of these three heroes, you will get this kind of one interface where you will get the normal skins of these three heroes which you can use while training with any one of these. And apart from this, you will get this kind of tasks which you will have to complete. And what is noteworthy here is that if you want to break your training with one hero which you may not like, then want to go to another hero for training from any of these three, then you can use that yellow button. The normal skins which you will get of these heroes will be trial ones. So you will have to complete these tasks to get that avatar border and that gift box. Secondly, a new hero has been launched in the advanced server on which I have done two videos previously. The hero's name is Nathan. You can get the link of those two videos in my description box. Thirdly, there is a victory reward event going on in advanced server where you will have to accumulate your victories. That is, you will have to win matches in the game to receive the rewards from this event. You will have to win 40 times to win the 40 rewards. You can see there are battle points, experience points, magic dusts, in total 40 number as rewards in this event. After receiving all these 40 rewards, you will get star shards which will be used to buy diamonds from the diamond vault. There is another event going on in the advanced server called the Vanguard coin supply. From there also you can get the star shards by completing the tasks. Apart from this, there is another event called Ad Reward event where you will get ad tokens by completing the tasks like watching ads, etc. By these tokens, that is ad tokens, you will be able to get different gifts from ad shop like emotes, etc. There is another event called Vanguard Benefit going on in the advanced server from where you will be able to collect star shards to exchange diamonds from the diamond shop. So this is the diamond shop from where you can buy diamonds by using the star shards that you will receive. As you can see, I have already got 120 star shards, so I will be able to buy 120 diamonds with them. Rest are normal events which you can see by pausing the video. And lastly, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So see you later with another new video.